Today in history. 18 April 1980. Sunny and warm, with a gentle breeze. Harare, Zimbabwe. Dear Diary, today was such an exciting day. It was the day when Zimbabwe became a brand new country. We used to call it Rhodesia, but now it's called Zimbabwe. It's a big change, and I think it's going to be an important event that people will talk about in the future. You see, Rhodesia used to have a government ruled by a small group of white people, and us black people didn't have the same rights. It was really unfair, but lots of people, including our brave leaders, fought for a long time to make things right. They wanted everyone to be treated equally, no matter the color of their skin. Finally, all of their hard work paid off today. We had a special ceremony, and Canaan Banana became our first president. He made an important speech about unity and working together to build a better Zimbabwe. I waved my little flag with so much pride. It was also the day when our old money, the Rhodesian dollar, was changed into the new Zimbabwean dollar. I had some pocket money saved up, so I went to the shop to buy sweets. The shopkeeper had to give me the new money, and it was so exciting to see the difference. I heard a lot of people talking about their hopes for the future. They want Zimbabwe to be a place where everyone can be happy and have equal opportunities. Even though I'm just a child, it makes me hopeful too. I believe that if we all work together, Zimbabwe will become an amazing country. I can't wait to see what happens next in our new Zimbabwe. I hope it will be a place of peace and progress, where everyone can thrive. I'll keep writing in my diary to remember this special day and to write about the exciting things that will happen in the future.